Let's unpack how to add sections or the different types of fields within a template. So we're going to start by going on to our settings tab at the top of our dashboard and click on templates. Then I want to select the template that I want to edit. So I'm going to select the defects template and I can click on this and it is now going to open up this template for me. So here you can see that we have different types of sections that you can add to a template. So here you can see I've got the detailed section, and each section, any type of section that you add, will have a section name field. It will then have the name of the item, and depending on what is within this section, you will have different columns as well. So if you choose to use a schedule of condition section, you can see that this section has a name field and a condition field. So with all the different types of sections that you can have, it all depends on your business needs and exactly what you would require to customize your template. So our simplified section will give you an option set. So here I've got some predefined option sets that I've added, and I can also add my own custom option set as well. And here I can then add my item name, and it will then populate with the option set that I have created. And it also has a comments column as well on this section. I can have a question section. So here again, I have a few option sets that I have added, or I can add my own custom option set as well. I have a rating section. So if I want to have a 5-star rating within a specific section, for example, basement, and I can then have one of my columns to reflect the condition and a star rating option like this. This will also give me an option or a column for my comments as well. If I need to delete a section that I have created, just click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the section and you will click on delete section. Okay. We have a section for keys as well. So this allows for the name of the item, of the key, and then a description. And as you can see, we've got a placeholder here. And the placeholder is just a prompt to let you know a little bit more about what information is required. You have a meters section, manuals section as well. That will allow you for the manual name and then manual description. Okay. Alarms section. Again, these are all predefined sections from within the system. So we also have an option where you can customize your own sections and save them as well. And this is what I have at the bottom here. And in more of our advanced features, we have presets. So you can pre-populate a section and then save it as a preset so that when you're working on any template, you can assign that to that inspection or that report. Okay, so let's go from the top again. Let's work with the section schedule of condition. Okay, I'm going to delete these other sections here. All right, so here we have the name of the section and our item name, and I can have a condition. Now, if I want to customize this section itself, I can further do this by clicking on the 3 dots at the corner of the section, and I can click on configure section. So here, this will give me the option to see the different fields from within the section. So again, I've got my name and I've got my condition, and it also tells me the dictionary that is associated to this field. So here I can see my items dictionary is associated to the name and then my conditions dictionary. If I'd like to customize this section a little further, I can click on add new field and I'll have the opportunity to customize and add a new field. If I want to customize the field that is already in the section. For example, the condition field. I can click on edit and I'll be able to see that I can update the field name. I can update the placeholder. So again, the placeholder is a prompt of just giving you more information on what is required within that field. Okay, okay, then I can choose the type of field that I want it to be. So if I just want it to be a simple one line of text or a full text area, I can choose to have a number field as well. So this allows for users to input numbers, and you can set this number formatting as well. So if you want it to be a decimal format, if you're going to add currencies as well, you have the option to do so as well. Okay. We have a single select. So this gives you the option to only select one from the list of options. You have multi-select, so a user can select more than one from the option list. You can include a date field as well, so you can choose exactly how you want the date to be formatted, and you can also customize this depending on your needs. You have a single question, so users or the inspector or the user is only able to select a single answer from the questions that are asked. You have multi-select as well, so you can choose from the different options that you have. And then you also have the rating. So we've got a 3-star and a 5-star rating as well. And then you can update this field by clicking on done. And this is how you customize your field. So let's just say for this example here, we want to add a new field. We want to add an overall rating field. And then I would like this to be a rating field with 5 stars, and I'm adding it to a section that already exists. So I'm creating a custom section, or a custom field rather. Click on done, and now you will see it here. But I want this overall rating to appear before the name. So I can just reorder it in this manner and click on save. And here you will see now that my overall rating is first. Okay, and I've got my placeholder available as well. And if I add my name, so I can now choose the overall rating and then add my condition. And again, if I want to customize this, I can just move this to the bottom, click on save, and now I've reordered it as well. So this is how we utilize our templates, and we encourage our users to familiarize yourself with creating your own template, playing around with the different capabilities of within your template itself, adding the different types of sections, just creating the template as bespoke as possible for your business needs. So in some cases, you would prefer to have certain columns within a template, and in some cases, you would just like it to be as generic as possible. But again, this is completely up to you.